Meaning of Honduran.
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 Honduran. Honduran refers to something or someone related to the country of Honduras, which is located in Central America. The term can be used to describe the people, language, culture, cuisine, geography, and history of Honduras. The official language of Honduras is Spanish, and the country has a diverse population with a mix of indigenous and European heritage. Honduras is known for its beautiful natural scenery, including beaches, forests, and mountains. The economy of Honduras is largely based on agriculture, particularly coffee production, and the country has experienced both political instability and economic growth in recent years.